Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Young Lee from Smart Art by Young Lee. I'm drawing a girl who is posing the half profile portrait, and this is the second part of the drawing. So there is another video which is showing the beginning process of this drawing. So if you want, you can go and watch and continue to watch this video. This girl is showing her right side of the face, but also there are partly the frontal face, so such as the forehead, the other side eye, and a little bit cheek, and also the lip part. Or you have to make sure about this inclination. So it means the camera, the lens for this photo was a little bit lower positioned than the same height. So the perspective of the camera lens make this kind of inclination. So you can see this part of face is longer than the other side part. This side of face is extended to up and down, and this side goes away to the other side. The side face is dark, and here she has like a highlight or the light flow, and until here. So this light flow we will leave as long as possible without shading, and then at the end it will be finished, then remain the highlight here. Let's continue the drawing. So I usually go through the whole drawing about 3 times. It means I make like 3 layers, and this I have done the second layer. For me, it's not completely done. I usually go one more through the darkest value and the next dark value and the next dark value till the lightest value. So this scale from the lightest to the darkest, this value scale must be shown the whole drawing. So the more and the bigger the scale is, the more dense. So there are a lot of different values inside. So this make the drawing more realistic and more dense. So there is really high density in the drawing. You will feel physically that this drawing is really dense. You can even feel the material. This is a person, a human being. You can feel that you can touch this person. It must be tangible. You feel like it's tangible. Then the drawing is the high quality for me. Of course, there are a lot of different styles of the drawings, and you can't say what is better than the other or what is worse than the other. You can't say. There are, huge differences between, drawing styles and between drawing artists. So it's your decision what is for you right and what style you like, and develop your drawing in this direction, in this style. So now I'm going to do the third layer. So usually then I search the deepest value, the deepest depth that I can create, and then the contrast between the deepest or the darkest value and the highlight will make bigger. Also, there is a trick that you make this eye a bit lighter than this eye, so it create a distance automatically. So this eye and this cheek, this part is far away from you. So here, this is the part which is closer to you, and this is the part where is much more distanced. So if you want, you can create the natural distance in the value difference. Intentional value difference make the distance automatically. So we can exaggerate a bit. Of course, this is not a big distance, but still we can create the room here in this way, more three-dimensional. found out that the distance was too short, so I changed it, the position of the eyebrow, so that I can win a bit more room here. This white flow, and this make the face more 3D, like so. Here is the dark part. It makes shadow, something like this. So this edge, it's kind of this part. So this is a kind of boundary between the frontal face and the side face. So if you pay attention on the white flow, then you will create even more realistic three-dimensional effect. I will see you next time with another video. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Thank you.